How we can executing to that when it is going to executing non-static block and static block.
In business logic,
I'm not asking business logic. When it is going to executing.
uh, uh, only in the program.
Program లో execute అవుతుందా? వస్తుందా? So you should be tell when we are going to creating a object at that moment non-static block will be execute, and when static block will be executed means, so when we are going to running to that application, if that static main method is available in our in our class, then that static block will be executed. When non-static block will be executed, when we are going to creating a object at that moment, that non-static block will be executed. You should be tell like that only, guys. Here will be executed, there will be executed. You should be aware. First of all, you should be write a create a object and what it will be happen, you check yourself only. If you are not able to creating a object, what it will be happen. If you are not able to create into that main method and you are going to run into that application, then what it will be happen. You should be check with yourself only. You should be try in your code, right? Yeah. So guys, I'm going to explaining today to that what guys. You are good into that all the concept variables and static block, non-static block, constructors and methods. Are you good or not, guys? Or else I need to explain one more time. Because of if we are not able to on sorry, yeah, if it is not able to understand this basics, that next concept single point also not able to get. Yeah, one line also not able to understand. So you should be strong into that. When how we can call a variable, static variable how we can call, non-static variable how we can call, static method how we can call, non-static method how we can call, right? Static block how we can call, non-static block how we can call. So that is there is a scenario based what we have to do, how it is going to calling. You should be how, why, that question it will be come in your mind, then it will be understand, guys, right? Yeah. So I'm going to give in to that all five things in a single program today. You should be, guys, you should be asked to that what are the question you get, you can ask. This is that almost fifth or sixth class I'm going to explaining to that only basics, right? Creation of a object, calling to that methods, calling to that variables, I'm going to explaining. So today also I'm explaining to that only basics of these five things only. You should be positioned to explain all those things, guys, right? I'm going to creating separate class. You should be tell today I'm not able to talk, you only talk, guys, okay? Yeah. I'm going to give into that Java basics. Class name as a yeah. You can tell me, guys, what is this?
this is small. This is a class.
Yeah, you should be tell. No need to tell you. It is not a first class. Okay. And tell me what is the what, guys, definition of class?
Class is a book. It contains types of variables, types of class, types of block.
Yeah. You can tell me how we can create a what are the types of methods variable is there, guys?
three types.
What are those?
Static, and detailed.
Yeah. So can you tell me that? Yeah. Can you tell me that non-static variable?
A variable which is not declared with
I'm not asking definition. I'm not asking definition. You should be tell to that what guys creation of that date variable. How we can create
class name.
class name. Non-static variable. How we can create variable guys?
Int.
Yes. Int data type. Yeah. Int.
A equals to
What is a here?
a variable name.
Variable name. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Now tell me. Yeah. Now tell me how we can create a static variable.
Static int A equals to 10.
Excellent.
Static int equals to 20.
Excellent. That's all. Yeah. Be online, guys. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. So this is the way we can creating a what guys static variable and non-static variable. So after that, I'm going to running that application, guys. What we have to require? I want to run my application. I'm going to creating two variables, static variable and non-static variable. I need to print this date. This is that I need to print 10 values and 20 values. So what should I to do? First of all, I'm going to running my application. What we have to require here? Another class. I want see my question is that very simple. I want to execute my application now. What should I to do? It will be execute. It will be execute. You are just listening the class, but you are not practiced, guys. So it will be executed. Can you tell me how it is going to execute without main method? I'm asking to that I need to execute this application. What I have to do it here? I'm asking. So you are saying to that SOPLN statement. Yeah, here SOPLN statement is possible here. Yeah, yeah, you should be tell if I want to run that application, we can create a main method. And if I want to call to that, there is a what guys, we need to if I want to call a variable, we should be create a object, right? So I'm going to creating to that main method here. I'm going to creating. Guys, see here. This is that I'm going to creating the main method. I'm going to running this application. But what is the output? Tell me. There is no SOPLN statement. That is the reason there is no output. It will be. Yeah. See here, guys. So I need to call to that non-static variable. What should I to do? What we have to call that? No, I'm not able. I'm not able to asking how we can create a that. But there is a one of the name is there. if I call a non-static variable, what we have to do here? You can tell me. Business logic. Guys, you are hard at work. We need to create a object. Object. You are forgetted or remember? You should be tell class name. You no need to tell as a class name. We need to create a object. Okay, how we can create a class at that? How we can create a object at that moment? You can tell by using help of to that class name only. You can tell like that only. Getting? Yeah, yeah. So how we can? What we have to do here? We need to create a object. How? Class name. How we can create an object by help of to that class name? What is my class name here? Java basic basic. I'm going to give an basic. My reference variable you can give to that anything guys, right? Java basic, right? See, this is the creation of object. Like that, how many object we can create, guys? Tell me. You can create how many object you have to require. You can create multiple objects. You can take, but here is that reference variable should not be duplicate. Getting right? Yeah. See here, guys. Okay, this is also act as a reference variable only. It is also acting as a variables only. I said you right. This is also acting as a variable only, and yeah, you can print, guys. This is that. See here. You can observe. This is the class name, and this is that variable name, guys. We can call as a instance variable. This is also instance variable, guys. For this we can call as a reference variable of that what, guys. This is the Java basics class. Okay, so this is the creation of that object. Then if I print to that basic, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to printing the data. What it is going to content, I don't know, right, guys? See here, this is that variable. That variable can hold into that what value here, guys? 10 value. This variable holding to that what value? 20. This is also variable, right? But this variable what it is holding, I can we check, guys? I'm going to printing that data, guys. Basics, what this variable can content, I will check here. You people can check here, guys. That variable can hold into that hash code, guys. What is hash code? We can I can explain when we have to that. There is a JVM architecture is there. At that moment, I will explain you hash code. Okay. See here, guys. This is that. This is that hash code. You are understanding this? Understanding it is? No, right? So how it is going to printing is nothing but this is the class, guys. This is the Java basic at the rate some numbers. It is going to printing, guys, characters and numbers. We can call as a hash code, guys. It is hash code, HASH. See, guys, I'm going to printing to that second object here. I'm going to printing to that second reference variable. What is second reference variable here? Tell me. Basic one. This is the second reference variable, second object reference variable. I'm going to printing. You people can check here, guys. Both the reference means this basic holding to that this data. This is the data. You can check, guys. com.soft.java basics. What is the mean of it? Nothing but you can check here, guys. I'm going to explaining that very clearly. This is that package name, guys. Com.soft is that package name. Okay. This is the package we are already available. See here, guys. This is the package only. This is the package, right? This package is available in where, guys? This is the package, right? And see here. com.soft means com.soft అనే ప్యాకేజ్ లో జావా బేసిక్ అనే క్లాస్ ఉందంట. See here, this is java basic. Is that class is there or not, guys? That class, see that class name what, guys? Here java basic only, right? So that here is that at the rate some numbers and character it is going to printing. That characters and numbers we can call as a hash code, guys, right? You people can check here, guys, what is the second object. This is the see here, guys, this is the basic can holding, this is the reference variable, right? This is that basic is a reference variable after that this java, right? So what it is going to holding, I need to check, guys. I'm going to, you can run this application, guys. You can run this application and it will be printing to that word, guys. You people can check both hash code is that same or different, guys? Different. How many object you are going to create it, those many hash code it will be different, guys. It is not, should not be same. Okay, I'm going to printing one more object, guys. I'm going to printing third object. What is the third object reference variable, tell me? Basic 2. You people can check here, guys. This is the basics to off to that third reference variable. You people can check, guys, what is the hash code it is going to printing. That hash code should be different or same, guys? Yeah, so you should be aware, guys. This is that if I print a reference variable, then it will be print to that word, guys. Hash code it will be print, but I don't want to print that hash code, but I need to call to that non-static variable, guys. This is the non-static variable. What should I to do, tell me how I need to call it? How? Yeah, tell me how I can write. System dot out dot println of a, directly it will become a int a. ఏనా? Is it? Guys, see here. Yeah, you can create a multiple object like this. Okay, you can create a multiple object. But if, yeah, if ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? How I can call it? సరే, I'm not able to get it. Type 10. Wow. Is it? No, listen carefully. Listen carefully. If I want, this is that static variable or non-static variable, guys. You can observe here. Non-static variable, if I want to print this data, then first of all, we need to create a object first. Okay. Yeah, please listen first. Concentrate on to that what, guys, what I am going to explain. If I want to call a non-static variable, first of all, we need to create a object. This is the way we can create into that object. After that, we can take a reference variable help, guys. This is that my reference variable dot reference variable dot what, guys? A is that variable name. Basic dot a. So when I'm going to writing this line at that moment, JVM will be that output, it will be given by to whom, guys? JVM only, right? So it will be check. JVM will be check. What is, first of all, what is that basic? It will be check. So basic is a reference variable of Java basic, guys. This is that, yeah, this is a object reference variable. Okay, it is identified. But basic data a I'm going to calling at that moment what it is, it will be checked. Yeah, basic is a Java basic. Then that JVM will be go directly from first word, guys. This class only. This is that Java class. Java basic is that class, right? So it will be go to the Java basic class and it will be identify what it is going to, guys. Here is that that is nothing but calling, guys. That is nothing. How we can call to that is nothing but by help of to that dot reference variable dot. Dot is represented what that basic that reference what it is available in this class. Then it will be holding to that what, guys, values. You people can check basic dot a, so that my JVM will be check what is basic. Basic is nothing but there is a reference variable of that object, and it will be, yeah, okay, this is that reference variable of that object, and that immediately will be go to that word, guys, this class, and that JVM will be search. It is going to calling to that a variable where it is available, that a variable, guys. It will be checking to that line by line. It will be checking to that line by line. This is that a variable, right, guys? Yeah, that a variable will be executed here, guys. This is that execution flow is that very, very, very important. I'm going to take into a time, but you no need to confuse here. If you are not able to understand, please ask me now. I'm going to remove to that because of I'm going to explaining with a single object, then you will get. See here, guys, I'm going to first of all how it is going to execute into that JVM is nothing but you people can check here, guys. This is that non-static variable. This is that non-static variable. So non-static variable ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలని అంటే మనం వచ్చేసి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం మనం? This by help of to that class name. By help of that class name, we can create a variable. See here, I'm going to give into that word, guys. Some yeah, this is that my reference variable equal to new operator, and I'm going to give into that my class name. This is the way we can create. Sorry, control same control space. After new keyword, you can use to that control space. It will become automatically. Right, see here, if when we are going to writing this Java basics, and this is that my reference variable, right? So when I'm going to creating that object, then this is that what, guys, non-static variable, right? This is that non-static variable. So non-static variable, how I'm going to calling that non-static variable is nothing but by help of that object reference variable. What is my object reference variable here? Yeah, I'm going to give into that obj one, guys, right? By help of to that reference variable. What is my reference variable name? Obj dot a. See here, guys. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మనం ఓబీజే డాట్ ఏ అని రాస్తామో అప్పుడు ఏందనంటే మనం అప్లికేషన్ రన్ చేస్తాం కదా. అప్లికేషన్ రన్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎవరు జేవిఎం వస్తుందా, కంపైలర్ వస్తుందా? JVM. See, guys, JVM will be alerted when our application will when I'm going to running my application. At that moment, JVM will be active, guys. See here, I'm going to running my application. See, and that JVM will be how it is going to executing. I'm going to explaining, guys. See, see, guys, I'm going to running this application. When I'm going to run on, click on run up, run as Java. At that moment, JVM will be go, And JVM, first of all, it will be check main method. Yeah, main method is there or not? Yes, main method is there. So after creation of that main method, what is the next line? It will be checked, guys. Okay. After creation of that main method, that JVM will be checked main method is there or not. Yeah, main method identify అయిపోయింది JVM కి. Immediately next line ఏం రాసినామని చెక్ చేస్తుంది JVM అనేది. ఓకే. సో JVM మనం ఏం రాసినాం ఇక్కడ, JVM మనం వచ్చేసి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అని క్రియేట్ చేసినాం. ఓకే. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాం కదా. ఓకే. దేర్ ఇస్ నో, ఓకే, హియర్ ఇస్ దట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేటెడ్. సరే. Yes, I will explain that point only. So after that, what is the next line? It will be checked. Yeah, next line is that it is that SOPLN statement. SOPLN statement is nothing but print the data. Printing purpose we are going to using to that word, guys. SOPLN statement. System dot out dot println statement we are going to using. బట్ ఈ ఎస్ఓపిఎల్ఎన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ లో ఏముందని చెక్ చేస్తుంది జేవిఎం మళ్ళా. ఓకేనా. జేవిఎం ఏం చెక్ చేస్తుంది అంటే, ఓకే, ఓబీజే డాట్ ఏ అని ఉంది. సో ఓబీజే అనేది ఏంది అని మళ్ళీ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ఓబీజే హియర్? ఓబీజే ఈజ్ ఏ రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఆఫ్ జావా బేసిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, గైస్. దిస్ ఇస్ దట్ రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్. ఓ ఓబీజీ అనేది రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబులా అన్నట్టు ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఓబీజే డాట్ ఏ అని చెప్పినాం కదా. అంటే జేవిఎం వచ్చేసి ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తుంది ఎప్పుడైతే ఓబీజే డాట్ ఏ అని, అంటే సేమ్ ఈ క్లాస్ లోనే ఎక్కడో ఒక దగ్గర ఏ అనే వేరియబుల్ ఉందని అనుకు ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తుంది జేవిఎం. ఓకే, జావా బేసిక్ అనే క్లాస్ లో ఏ అనే వేరియబుల్ ఉందంట. ఆ వేరియబుల్ నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ అన్నట్టుగా ఎవరు, జేవిఎం ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట. See here, guys, that JVM will be go to that and checking into that directly class, guys. This is the class only, right? In this class level, there is a non-static variable is there. It will be identified to that line by line. It will be checked. Hey, there is a fourth line. We are not able to writing anything. After that, that JVM will be come to that fifth line. Fifth line, what is this? It will be checked. Yeah, this is that A variable. So yeah, that OBJ కి కావాల్సింది ఏంది, ఏ వేరియబులే కదా. ఏ వేరియబుల్, యా, ఏ వేరియబుల్ ఐడెంటిఫై హియర్, and that a variable what it is going to holding the data, it will be checked. Yeah, this is the data I need to print, that JVM will be expected. So that value hold injected to that word, guys, here only, and that output it will be printing to that 10, guys, here. Guys, is getting or not? Can you explain me? Yeah, I will. How we are going to speaking? Yeah. Sorry. Yes, now. Tell me, I'm going to running this application. That execution flow, you can tell me, guys. Your voice is not clear now. Yeah, tell me now. Okay, when I'm going to running my application, JVM will become okay. And what it will be checked? Yeah, main method it will be checked. Yeah, main method identify here. What next? What it will be do? Yeah, next line it will be checked. So yeah, Slowly, slowly. Here is that object is that creation. Oh, this is that object. Okay, object created. What is the next line? Next line, what guys here? Okay, inside that println method, what it is going to holding? Obj.a. It will be check what is obj reference variable of Java basics. So it will be getting to that what a. So e a obj. Yeah, it will be go to the directly what guys Java basic class, and it will be identify what variable, which variable, a variable, a variable. It will be check where is my a variable, where is my a variable. It will be check line by line. So it will be identify here. That value will be injected to that this variable, and this variable printing the statement. That is the reason that output will become on console. Same as like I will show you to that one more one. I will give to that one more variable guys, and you should be tell to that what execution flow only. You should be practice it guys. This is that very very important. This is the flow is not understanding to you, then that Java learning is that waste of time. That first of all you can concentrate on to that how it is going to execute in that variable. I'm going to give into that word guys, int b equal to 30. I'm going to give in here already. Yeah, b variable is there. I'm going to give in c variable, right? And I'm going to printing now. Now, can you tell me that execution flow of this? Yes. Can you tell me to that line number 14 how it is, what it will be? I'm not changing anything. Extra. Already this line is there. I'm adding to that this line, and this line I'm adding. How it is going to executing, you people can tell. Yeah. Okay. What it will be checked? Yes. Yes. Guys, first object you completed. What about next? Yeah, second one you can tell. You have said second one only. Yeah. So guys, yeah. So this is the way that non-static variable will be executed. Okay. This is the you should be remember that flow, guys. Flow should be remember it. If you are not able to understand, please ask me now only. Right? Yeah. Now tell me, guys. Same. I'm going to writing one more SOP statement and I'm going to printing. How we can call to the static variable, guys? Tell me. We can call that a non-static variable by using help of that reference variable. But how we can call to that non-static static variable? How we can create a variable is nothing but static keyword. But how we can call? Calling is different. Creation is different. How we can print that static variable? I'm asking. Which only? That only means sorry. ఇప్పుడు ఏందని అంటే నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలని అంటే రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ డాట్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ తోని కాల్ చేయాలని అన్నాను. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ కి ఎట్లా కాల్ చేయాలి ఎస్ఓపి స్టేట్మెంట్ లో అని అడుగుతున్నా. స్టాటిక్ లేకపోతే ఉంటే కాదు. ఇక్కడ ఏందని అంటే స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ కాల్ విత్ దట్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ గైస్. వాట్ ఈస్ మై వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ హియర్? స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్ వాట్ హియర్? సరే. యా. B is that my static variable name. When I am going to, when how we can call to the static variable is nothing but directly that variable name you should be tell like that. How we can call non-static variable is nothing but by help of that reference variable. How we can call static variable is nothing but directly that variable name, or else we can call to that what, guys? One more way also is there. You people can check here, guys. I'm going to calling to the first way, that is that variable name. You people can check. This is that 20 30 it is going to 10 30 and 20 it is going to. I'm not able to getting. Can you repeat? Yes. Your voice is that a little bit not able to getting clarity. What you are asking, I'm not able to get. Already I run that application. It is came, right? A1. Where is A1? That execution flow you should be understand. You no need to check to that word, guys. That output. First of all, that execution flow. That B variable. B. Hmm. ఏడా ఈడనా నేను రాసిన కదా. Hmm. See, you are expecting to that line number as a next line after static. Then how it is going to executing? You are saying, asking. Yeah. So it will be check. ఇది ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా గూడంగల్లా ఏందంటే జేవిఎం చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటుంది. వేరియబుల్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏదన్నా మన దగ్గర నుంచి ఏదన్నా మనీ గాని ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ బ్యాగ్‌లోనే ఎక్కడనో మీరు పెన్నో ఆర్ పైసలు ఎక్కడనో ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టేసిర్రు. బట్ అది గుర్తుకు రావట్లే. సో మీరు మొత్తం వచ్చేసి ఆ బ్యాగ్ మొత్తం చెక్ జేస్తారా? లేకుంటే మీరు ఆల్‌వేస్ ఎప్పుడు ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టేదే చెక్ చేస్తారా? మీరు మొత్తం చెక్ జేస్తారు గదా! ఒకవేళ అక్కడ లేకపోతే. Same as like that JVM will be check enter that class. Where is my C variable? Where? ఇక్కడ స్టాటిక్ అని అస్సలే రాయం మనం. ఇక్కడ SOPల స్టేట్మెంట్‌లో స్టాటిక్ అస్సలే రాయం. Class level లో no, we can define to the static keyword. We are not able to write inside that static here. So see, this is the directly we are going to calling to that static variable by reference variable name, guys. But one more approach is there. You can call to the static variable by help of to that what, guys? Class name. What is my class name? Java basic. Java basic dot my variable name. This is the second approach. You can check now that output it will become only. See. Yeah. So this is the way it is going to executing static variable and non-static variable, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now this is that variable, guys. This is the execution flow. This is that execution flow is that very important. Same as like this is that variable. How we can call into that static variable, non-static variable. Same as like there is a methods is there, guys. Methods also. How we can call to that. స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ అయితే మనం డైరెక్ట్‌గా మెథడ్ నేమ్‌తోనే కాల్ చేస్తాం. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ అయితే సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్‌తోని కాల్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? By help of that object reference, we can call to the non-static variable and non-static method. Guys, you should be remember it. See here, I'm going to creating to that one M1 method. Void M1 method. This is that my non-static method, guys. See here, I'm going to writing SOPLN statement. This is that non-static method. Right? So now tell me, guys, how I need to call this method? How do I call this method? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ వేరియబుల్ ఎట్లా కాల్ చేయాలని అడిగిన. అయితే మీరు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ తోని కాల్ చేయాలి అన్నట్టుగా చెప్పిర్రు గదా! ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ యాస్ లైక్ నాకేందంటే నాన్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్‌కి ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలని అడుగుతున్నా నేను. హ్మ్. చెప్పండి ఎట్లా? SOPల స్టేట్మెంట్‌లో అయితే కాల్ చేయమది. బయటనే కాల్ చేస్తాం. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? M1 రాస్తే సరిపోతదా? ఏది రావట్లేదు గదా మరి. ట్రై చేయాలా? ఇప్పుడు నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఎట్లా కాల్ చేసినాం మనం చెప్పండి? ఓబీజీ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాలి. రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ ఏందని అంటే ఈ రిఫరెన్స్ వేరియబుల్ తోని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ రిఫరెన్స్ తోని నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ కాల్ చేస్తాం. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్‌ని కాల్ చేస్తాం. obj.m1 method. This is the way we can call to that non-static method, guys. Okay. Yeah. See here how it is going to execution flow. That execution flow you can check here that for to that main. Sorry. Yes. This is the way you should be remember it. Okay. సేమ్ యాజ్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎట్లయితే స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ కాల్ చేసినాము ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒకటి స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తా సేమ్ యాజ్ లైక్ మీరు అది కూడా మీరు చెప్పాలి ఓకేనా ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ స్టాటిక్ void m2 method. I'm going to printing to that SOPLN statement. This is non-static. This is static method. Now tell me how we can call to the static method. చెప్పండి m1 ప్లస్ లో m2 మీరు నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఎలా కాల్ చేస్తున్నాం అనేది కూడా మీరు అదే చెప్తున్నారు స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ కి కూడా అదే చెప్తున్నారు ఎందుకని I'm not able to calling inside that SOPLN statement. I'm calling to that inside that main method only. ఎక్కడ కాల్ చేస్తున్నా ఇది మెయిన్ మెథడ్ లో నేను కాల్ చేస్తున్నా కదా సో మనం ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ వచ్చేసి డైరెక్ట్లీ మెథడ్ నేమ్ తోని కాల్ చేస్తాం వాట్ ఈస్ మై స్టార్ట్ మెథడ్ నేమ్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ నేమ్ ఏంది m1 అనేది మీకు స్టాటిక్ మెథడా మరి నేను అడుగుతున్నది m2 మెథడ్ కదా you should be concentrate which one is that static method which one is that non-static method which one is a static variable which one is that non-static variable you should be observe and tell me no need to tell blindly yeah you can instead of m1 you can use to that m2 you can no need to tell like that you should be analyzed first of all as a jvm okay so this is that one of the approach you people can check I'm going to running this application then that output it will become for to that both SOPL statement see here this is non-static static method and this is static method so guys one more ways we can call to the static method what is that approach మన స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ వచ్చేసి టూ వేస్ లో కాల్ చేయొచ్చు కదా ఎట్లా by using difference way by using that variable name and by using to that what guys class name dot variable name ఓకేనా సేమ్ యాజ్ లైక్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఏందని అంటే మనం మెథడ్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ ని కూడా అట్లే కాల్ చేస్తాం by using help of direct static method name or else we can call to that class name dot method name you people can check this is the second approach if you run this application that same output it will become right yeah guys you can go through that videos and you can understand that execution flow right yeah this is that static method and non-static method now tell me how we can create a constructor yeah I'm asking what type of constructor no how we can create a zero parameter constructor I'm asking Same only means what? Yeah. You should be tell by we need to take a class name and we can create a what guys? Non-static what is zero parameter constructor. You are missing to that main words and you are saying to that that's all that only. Yeah. So this is that word guys. Zero parameter constructor. When it is going to executing that zero parameter constructor, ఎప్పుడు జీరో పారామీటర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నాను నేను. మీరు మర్చిపోయారా? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమేమి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది మర్చిపోయారా? చెప్పండి. బ్లాక్స్ ఉంటది. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ బ్లాక్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయితది. జీరో పారామీటర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయితది అని చెప్పినా కదా నిన్న. మరి ఆ ముక్క చెప్పాలి కదా. ఇప్పుడు బ్లాక్ గురించి వెళ్ళలే మనం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది వచ్చేసి జీరో పారామీటర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్. సో వెన్ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎట్ దట్ మూమెంట్ దట్ what guys zero parameter constructor will be executed. You people can check here. Yeah, this is zero parameter constructor, right? So yeah, say I'm going to write into that parameter constructor guys. I'm going to create into that parameter constructor. See here, this is that parameter constructor. I'm going to writing inside that int some parameter I'm going to passing, and this is param. Yeah. Now tell me. సరే, వేరియబుల్ నేమా ఎక్కడ రాసిన? ఇది క్లాస్ లెవెల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి లోకల్ వేరియబుల్ నాన్ లోకల్ వేరియబుల్? ఇది వచ్చేసి నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్. ఇది వచ్చేసి నేను క్రియేట్ చేసింది లోకల్ వేరియబుల్ కదా. ఓకే. Yeah. When it is going to executing this zero parameterized constructor, yeah, we should be pass a parameter for this what guys parameterized constructor. I'm going to passing to the 30 because of it is expecting to that int value. Yeah, so I'm passing to that 30. That 3 value will be injected to that this parameter, and that it is not able to executing zero param. It is not able to execute in zero parameter constructor, guys. If people can check. See here, parameterized constructor. No, zero parameter constructor is not executed. Okay. Now tell me. Now tell me how we can create a non-static block. Open braces and close braces, right? This is that word, guys. This is what? Non-static block. When it is going to executing this block, that is definition. That is the definition. When it is going to executing this block, directly. When we are going to creating a object, at that moment that non-static block will be executed, right? But here passing to the parameter, that is the reason that non-static zero parameter constructor is not able to execute it. You can check here. See, this is non-static block, right? So I'm going to write into that static block, guys. This is static block. This is static block. Okay. So how it is going to be executing? It is not able to depending upon to that creation of object. If our main method is available, then that static block will be executed, guys. I'm going to remove these three things. Control X, Control S. I'm going to executing. You people can check here, guys, that only static block will be executed. See, yeah. So this is that execution flow of that all the variable. Now I'm explaining to that static variable, non-static variable, static method, non-static method, blocks also all are I'm going to explain, guys. So you should be go through these videos, and you can, guys, there is a that come what, guys, writing that SOP line statement, writing to that variable, writing to that method is not a big things, guys. First of all, you should be understand how it is going to executing. That is the, yes. Yeah, how it is going to executing that variable, that is that important, guys. Okay. An object create చేస్తున్నప్పుడు object కి when you are going to creating a object, at that moment what it will be happened, కంపైలర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, జేవిఎం ఏం చేస్తుంది, కంపైలర్ ఎలా కంపైల్ చేస్తుంది, కంపైలర్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, జేవిఎం ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అనేది మీరు ఆ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో థింక్ చేయాలి. మీ బ్రెయిన్ అనేది ఏంటంటే కంపైలర్ అండ్ జేవిఎం టూ పార్ట్స్ గా డివైడ్ చేసుకొని యూ షుడ్ బి థింక్ లైక్ దట్ అండ్ యూ షుడ్ బి టెల్ like that only. You no need to tell your own, guys. That Java concept is not what, guys, what we are going to expecting, not like that. But there is a some rules and guidelines is there. As per that rules and guidelines, it will be compile that code and it will be executing that code. So you should be aware that things, guys, first of all. So when you are going to creating a object, you should be aware, okay, yeah, object is created and that there is a non-static variable, guys. That part also it will become, but you should be remember that slowly, guys. This is the thing, this is the basics only. You should be remember this. Okay. నాన్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి, స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్ ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి, నాన్ స్టాటిక్ మెథడ్ ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి, నాన్ స్టాటిక్ బ్లాక్ మెథడ్ ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి, అండ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ జీరో పారామీటర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఎలా కాల్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ పారామీటరైజ్ కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ ఎలా కాల్ అవుతుంది, బ్లాక్స్ జీరో వాటికి స్టాటిక్ నాన్ స్టాటిక్ బ్లాక్ ఎలా కాల్ అవుతుంది, నాన్ స్టాటిక్ బ్లాక్ ఎలా కాల్ అవుతుంది అనేది ఈ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఫ్లో అనేది మీరు బాగా ఎన్నిసార్లు చూసి మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత మంచిది. ఓకే. Yeah, tomorrow I will go through that word, guys. Again to that there is a tomorrow is that Saturday, right? Saturday or yes, is there? Yes, is there. Timings, same timings, or else I will update you the timings. Okay. 1 hour before 1 hour I will. Okay. Before 1 hour. Okay. Before 1 hour I will let you know. Yeah. So guys, you are missing to that execution flow. You should be go through that videos and you can practice it, guys. Yeah, this is that 4 to 5 class only discussion point. It will be happen only discussion, how we can create object, how we can create method, how we can create variable, how we can create constructor, how we can create blocks, how we can execute that non-static block, how we can execute that non-static block, how we can execute that static method. Like that you should be aware, you should be practice. You are getting right, guys, everything, right? Yeah, you can practice it, and tomorrow we can go through that notepad. After that, that concept will be start, guys. Our concept will be start. What is our concept? What, guys? Yeah, tomorrow is that only core Java. What we have to call it? Uh, we are not able to start at that basic also. Only we are in basics only. That, yeah, that content wise we are not able to complete it, right? At the rate 1, 2, 3. Yeah, tomorrow we can go to that word, guys. There is a date. We can what we have to discuss today. We will complete tomorrow by using Notepad, guys. Notepad. Yeah. Compiler and JVM how it is going to checking. I will explain through that notepad. After that, we can go through that word, guys. Data types concept. First concept it will be go through that word concept here, guys. Data types. Yeah. Definition and syntax you should be remember, guys. There is a data types. This is the data types concept. Okay. Yeah, we can discuss next class, guys. Thank you guys so much. You can go through that videos and you can practice.